Batteries are low. I have to take the tarp off the wood pile. Too much lead. Through the tarp's too much lead. Couldn't keep the tarp on it. Got lots of branches and trees down. Hey Rupert, how windy is it?
I'm getting blown away literally. Oh, it's freezing right here.
Bud, sir. Oh. A leaf hit her neck. Bud, you're master of destruction up here. What are you doing? Oh, buddy boy. Oh, there, Budster. Boy, better get your house, buddy. Ah. Okay, Rupert. I'm signing off. Say bye. Tell them bye. My battery's low, of course. I want to take a picture of this. Whoops. I want to take a picture of this tree we saw heard come down before. Oh, that is just a branch. I thought it was the whole tree. Oh, look up there. I see where. Oh, the whole top of it came out. See it up there? Up above where that branch is laying down?